Good morning students, welcome to the class. Today let us study about the problems on cosets. In the previous classes we have studied definition of a coset and the properties of cosets, and today let us study some examples on the properties of cosets, and that is some examples here. Let us take first example. Find all the right cosets of subgroup H is equals to 0, 3 in the group Z6 under addition mod 6. So here order of Z6. So we know Z6 means here it contains Z6 is the set of integers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It contains 6 elements. So order of Z6 is 6. And order of H, here H contains only 2 elements, 0 and 3. So order of H is 2. So and we know one definition here, one result. The number of all distinct cosets of H in Z6 is equals to order of Z6 divided by order of H. So this is equals to 6 divided by 2. It is equals to here 3. So means there are 3 different or distinct cosets of H in Z6, and they are, so H under addition mod 6, 0. First element you have to take here 0. So H is what here? H is 0 and 3. Let us add 0 in the first element. 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus 3. Here H is what here? H is only 0 and 3, no? So H is 3. So 0 plus 3 is again 3 only. 0 and 3 is same set H. And H plus addition mod, this is not 61, this is addition mod 6 it is. We can write like this also, we can write here, we can write like this also. So it becomes very much clear here. So H under addition mod 6 plus 1 means here, you know H is equals to 0, 3. So H under addition mod 6, 1 means here you have to add 1 in this. 0 plus 1 is 1, and 3 plus 1 is 4. Similarly, H under addition mod 6, 2 is equals to add 2 in this. 0 plus 2 is 2, and this 2, and 0 plus 3 is 5. So these are different cosets here. And next if you take here, because Z contains 3 more elements, no? 3, 4, 5. Let us verify here. Z under addition mod 6, 3 is equals to, let us add 3 here. 3 plus 0 plus 3 is 3, this one, and 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is here what here? 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. But it is under addition mod 6 means you have to divide 6 by 6. Remainder is how much here? 0. This remainder you have to take here. So remainder is 0. Again it is nothing but here, this is nothing but here. 3, 0 is same as 0, 3. So this is, they are same. So don't take this one. Again Z under addition mod 6, 4. Means you have to add 4 in this here. 0 plus 4 is 4. And 0 plus 3 is 7. 7 divided by 6 gives the remainder 1. So it is 4, 1. It is same as 1, 4 only. So one more is H under addition mod 6, 5 is 5, 2. It is same as 2, 5. Therefore, only these 3 are the distinct, means different cosets of H in Z6. Let us take one more example. List all the subgroups of Z9 under addition mod 9. So here Z9 means again it contains 9 elements. So order of Z9 is 9, and all the divisors of 9 are, let us take the divisors of 9. We can divide 9 by 1, 3 and 9. So since 1 is the generator of Z9, so this you have studied in your previous section here, definition of the generator. So here Z9 means, you know here Z9 is what here? Z9 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the generators, in the last class you studied generators. Here how to, generators means what here? Suppose here any group generated by A means it is group generated by A means all the elements are in the form of A raised to n. So here n is any integer, n belongs to Z. So means here in Z9 under addition mod 9, so we can express all the elements in terms of 1 here. So this you have studied in the previous section. So now it is not necessary to explain the same thing. So 1 is the generator of Z9. So therefore the generators of the subgroups are here 1 into 1 is 1, because these are the divisors, and 1 into 3 is 3 and 1 into 9 is 9 because it is under addition mode 9. So under addition mode 9 means here 9 divided by 9 is the remainder gives what here? Remainder is 0. So it is equals to 0 you have to take here. Thus the subgroups are here. The subgroups are the group generated by 1. Generated by 1 is again same here, Z9 only. It is Z9 and the group generated by 3. So generated by 3 means here you have to take here, it is in the form of, it is under addition, no? So this is a to the power of n is in multiplication. So addition means here, addition means it is NA it is. So therefore this is 0 and 0 plus 3 is 3. Then it is 3 plus 3 is 6 and 6 plus 3 is what here? 9. You have to take here it is 0, 3, 6 and 9 and it is generated by, the cyclic group generated by 0 is equals to only here we have 0. Let us take one more example. Find the order of a cyclic group of Z12 under addition mode 12 generated by 3. So if A is the generator of a cyclic group G of order n, then A raised to n is the generator of cyclic subgroup of order n by D, where D is the GCD of n and m. This is one of the theorem we studied in our previous section. So here 1 is the generator of Z12, again same thing here. So as we have seen in previous section, so 1 is the generator of Z12 and also 3 is equals to this 3 is what here? 3 is a generator, here it is given subgroup of Z12 under addition mode 12 is generated by 3. So this 3 is equals to, we can write 1 into 3 and GCD of this 12 and 3. Here 12 is what here? Order of Z12. So 12 and 3 is again equals to what? GCD of 12 and 3 is 3. The greatest common divisor of 12 and 3 is 3. Take this one as a D. So now order of H is given by here. This is order of H is given by n by D. That is 12 by 3 is equals to what here? 4. So means there are here, so this is the order of the cyclic group generated by 3. Let us take one more example. Find all the cosets of H is equals to 0, 3, 6 and 12. It is not 2, it is 12 in Z12 under addition mode 12 and verify Lagrange's theorem in each case. So here order of Z12 is 12 and order of H is 4 because we have 4 elements in this. So therefore the number of all distinct cosets is equals to, we know this order of G divided by order of H. Here G is Z12. So order of Z12 divided by order of H, it is equals to 12 by 4, it is equals to 3. There are only 3 different cosets here. So the cosets are here H under addition mode 12 with 0. So you have to add 0 in all these elements here. This is 2 only it is, I think. So 0, 3 plus 0 is 3, 6 plus 0 is 6 and it is again, this is again 2 only, it is not 12 it is. So 2 plus 0 is 2 only. H under addition mode 12, 1. Let us add 1 in all these terms here. 0 plus 1 is 1 and 3 plus 1 is 4, 6 plus 1 is 7, 2 plus 1 is 3. So H under addition mode 12, 2. Let us add 2 in each term here. 0 plus 2 is 2, 3 plus 2 is 5, 6 plus 2 is 8 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So these are the only here what here? It is equals to how much here? 3, no? These are the only 3 distinct cosets here. And we have to verify here. Further, we observe that in each case, the order of the subgroup is 4. Here we can see here, order of each subgroup is 4, means each subgroup contains 4 elements exactly. So that is here we have 4 divides. This 4 divides 12. 12 is the order of Z12 here. So this implies order of the subgroup of the divisor of is the divisor of the order of the group Z12. This is only the statement of a Lagrange's theorem. So hence the Lagrange's theorem is verified. Here we have some examples from exercises. So let us take one example. Write all the right cosets of H is equals to minus 1, 1 in the group, in the multiplicative group G is equals to 1 minus 1 I minus I. So here h is minus 1 1 and g is 1 minus 1 I minus I. So h into 1, it is a multiplicative group. So the elements are here 1 minus 1 I minus I. You have to multiply each element with all these 4 elements. So h into 1 is, multiply this one here, 1 into 1 is 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 and 1 into 1 is 1. This is same as h. H into minus 1. So multiply all the elements of h by minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 and 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. It is again h only. Only the elements are interchanged but the set is same. So we can take this one as h only. H into I. So minus 1 into I is minus I. 1 into I is I. And h into minus I is minus 1 into minus I is I. And 1 into minus I is minus I. These two sets are same. We can take this one as here is equals to hi. So these two are same. So this is h. This one is hi and this one is also hi because there are only here, hence there are only two right cosets h and hi. Let us take one more example. Find all the left cosets of h is equal to 0, 4, 8 in Z12 and addition mod 12. So here order of Z12 is 12 because it contains 12 elements and order of h is 3. And we know from the definition of Lagrange's theorem, the number of all distinct right or left cosets is equals to order of Z12 divided by order of h. It is equals to 12 by 3 is equals to 4. So this type of example we had in the previous case. So it is what here, it is left cosets. You have to add elements on the left side here. 0 plus 0 and addition mod 12 h is equals to, add 0 in the elements of h, 0, 4, 8, same thing. It is h only. So 1 and addition mod 12 h is equals to, add 1 in h. So 4 plus 1 is 5 and 8 plus 1 is 9. So 159. Similarly, 2 plus addition mod 12 h is equals to, you will get here 2, 6, 10. And 3 and addition mod 12 h is equals to, you will get 3, 7, 9, 11. And the remaining elements you can verify here. So because Z12 contains here what? How many elements here? It contains 12 elements. So next element you can verify 4 and addition mod 12h is again same 4, 8, 0 only. If you take any elements here, if you take elements up to 11, so you will get the same sets. Therefore we can say that here these are only the distinct cosets. Let us take one more example. Find the order of the cyclic subgroup of Z30 and addition mod 30 generated by 25. So this type of example you have done in just now you have done. So we know that if A is the generator of a cyclic group G of order n, then A raised to n is the generator of same cyclic group subgroup of order n by D, where D is the GCD of n and m. So here 25 is the generator of Z30 and addition mod 30. And also we have 25 is equals to, we can write 1 into 25 and 30, this GCD of this 30 and 25 is equals to 5. So you know here divisors of 30 we can divide it by 1, 2, 3, 5, this is 10 and 15 and then 30, and the divisors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25 only. The common divisors are only 5 and 5. This is only the greatest one. So therefore GCD of 30 and 25 is 5. Take this one as here D. So now from the definition we have seen here, order of H is equals to n divided by D. It is equals to 30 divided by 5. It is equals to 6. So this is only the number of, this is only the what here? This is only the order of a cyclic subgroup generated by 25 of Z30 and addition mod 30 it is. Take one more example. Find all the subgroups of Z18 and addition mod 18. So here order of Z18 is 18 and the divisors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. We can divide 18 by all these numbers. Since 1 is the generator of 18, Z18, so generators of the subgroups are here 1 into 1 divisors, 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 6 into 6, 1 into 9 is 9, 1 into 18 is 18. Because here it is anti-addition mode 18. So 18 means it is the remainder you have to take here. Remainder is here 0, because here we know 18 divided by 18 gives the remainder what? 0. So you have to take this one as here. So 0. So Z18 means it contains the elements from 0 to 17. So therefore the subgroups are first generated by 1 here. Subgroups are generated by 1. So 1 means here you have to take here all the elements here. So that is 0, 1 to 3 up to 17 it is. This is Z18 only. Next the generators, next the cyclic subgroup generated by 2. So 2 means here you have to take here, 2, the 0, this is the first is 2 plus, you have to, generator means what here, it is anti-addition, no, it is 2 first, next is 2 plus 2, next is 2 plus 2 plus 2, like this you have to take here. First element is 2, then 2 plus 2 is 4, again you have to add 2, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, plus 2 is 18. So 18 means again it is anti-addition mode, 18, no? So remainder have to take here as 0. So you have to take 0 here. Next generator is 3, means it is first is 3, then 3 plus 3 is 6, 9, 12, 15, next 18. 18 means you have to take 0. So I have taken 0 first here. Next generator is a 6, no? Again it is 6, then 6 plus 6 you have to take here 12. Next plus 6 is 18. 18 means remainder is 0 you have to take here. And next this is generator is 9. So first is 9, then 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 means again you have to take 0. And next remainder is what here? 0. So it is the cyclic subgroup generated by 0 under addition mode. 18 is again only 0. It contains only one element 0 here, because here 0, then 0 plus 0 is also 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is also 0 here. Therefore, the set contains only one element, that is 0.